Why do some people sneeze when they look at the sun? Ever walked outside, looked up at the bright sun, and suddenly achoo? You're not alone. About 25% of people have this strange reflex, called the photic sneeze reflex. Scientists believe it happens because the optic nerve, which senses light, is super close to the trigeminal nerve, which controls sneezing. So when a burst of sunlight hits your eyes, your brain kinda gets confused. Instead of just making your pupils shrink, it also triggers a sneeze. And guess what? It's genetic. So if you sneeze at the sun, chances are one of your parents does too. Next time someone sees you sneezing outside, just tell them, I'm just a photogenic.